In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a vacation in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a much needed getaway or just need some time off, knowing how to efficiently mark your calendar can ensure you're totally free from work commitments during this period. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access Google Calendar. It's the hub for all your scheduling needs and is usually accessible from your Google account or through the mobile app if you're on the go. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the weekly or monthly overview of your calendar, showing all your upcoming appointments and events. Next, it's time to decide when your vacation will begin. Scan through your calendar and identify the date and time slot that marks the start of your time off. This is crucial for ensuring you block off the right period. Once you've pinpointed the starting time, you'll want to double click on it. This action opens the event editor where you can start detailing your plans. Now it's time to give your event a proper title. I suggest something like out of office or simply vacation. Giving it a clear descriptive name ensures that anyone checking your availability knows you're away and can plan accordingly. With the event title set, it's crucial to specify how long your vacation will last. Adjust the start and end times by clicking on the respective fields. You can choose anything from precise hours to a range of days, so make sure it accurately reflects the time you'll be off duty. In addition to the basic schedule, you might want to include any extra details in the description field. This is a handy space for jotting down pertinent information such as destination details, accommodation information, or notes on who to contact in your absence. It's basically your virtual note to self, making sure everything related to this period is captured in one spot. Lastly, don't forget to save your event. Look for the Save button, typically located in the top right corner of the event editor. Once you click this, or simply press enter, your vacation will officially be marked on the calendar. This simple action ensures that your time off is clearly communicated to anyone checking your availability. Now you're all set. With these steps, you can seamlessly plan your personal time within Google Calendar, keeping your schedule organized and allowing others to see when you're unavailable. Whether it's for a few days or a few weeks, your vacation time is now clearly marked, ensuring you can enjoy your break worry-free. Happy scheduling!